Hi guys, very good morning. Hi Akanksha, how are you doing? Yes, my name is Harpreet Kaur Dhodi. I've done a master's in English literature. I have a diploma in journalism, 17 years of teaching experience. I've trained students for exams like the CAT, MAT, ZAT, SNAP, PGCET, banking, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT, and TOEFL. Today I'm an educator on hashtag CatLife Daily. Hi Sneha. So guys, we have to learn to grasp the main idea. Today we are doing only main idea questions. You will read the passage and tell me what is the main idea of the passage. Now, how do you get the main idea? How do you get the main idea is normally you will read the first paragraph, first sentence of each paragraph and the last paragraph. Okay? First para पढ़ना है, first sentence of each paragraph पढ़ के last sentence पढ़ना है. That's all you need to do. Okay, so read this very quickly. So he's saying Americans have always been interested in president's wife. Many first ladies have been remembered because of the ways they influenced their husbands, and they have made history books on their own. So how presidents' wives make an impact on history and on the country is what the paragraph is saying. At least first true ladies is an example, made it their business to send signals during their husband's speeches. Then this is the other example. He's talking about Abigail and Eliza Johnson actually taught their husbands. Okay, and it was the first lady Helen Tatt's idea to plant the famous cherry tree in Washington, D.C. Right? So you have this paragraph, and then you have these three paragraphs. And then shortly after President Woodrow Wilson suffered a stroke, Edith Wilson unofficially took over most of the duties. Dolly Madison saw to it. So these are all examples of how the first ladies made an impact. One of the most famous first ladies was Eleanor Roosevelt, and she was active in politics. You don't have to read the whole paragraph, okay? And then you have to answer the main idea. What do you think is the main idea? I will do the poll. Read this one, guys. Do you want to read the passage again? Yes, do you want to read the passage again? No one is giving me correct answers. Yes, guys, would you like to read this? Yes, guys, done? Yes, can I get a response? Akanksha, Sneha, Aparna, are you guys reading? Okay. Okay, now tell me what is the. Yes, Akanksha, you got it. Yes, if you have to choose between D and E, you have to say they are important figures because some of them supported, some of them were just important figures. So that's why D is the correct answer. Now, these are all giving you examples. And humanitarian work, all of them did not do humanitarian work, right? So therefore, the answer will be D. Okay, let's read this one. Hi, Saish. So we are doing main idea questions. I want you to grasp the main idea and tell me without, I explain the first passage. This is the second passage. Read the paragraph and answer the main idea question. Yes, done. Read the first paragraph, first sentence of each paragraph. Don't try to read the whole passage. So the main idea he's telling you of all the kinds of vegetables grown all over the world, which remains the favorite young and old, is the potato. Then he goes on to explain different kinds of potatoes, right? You just have to do some scanning, guys. Done? So what is the main idea? Yes, Neha. Very easy, guys. Yes, Aish. Yes, potatoes are a key vegetable in America, is what the author is trying to tell you. Not that they are from Ireland, this is part idea. Average American eats, again, one idea. French fries, all these are specific ideas. We have to look at the main idea, the entire passage. Various terms for potatoes have a long history, is also not the answer, is D. So this one was easy, right? Read this one, guys. Don't try to read the whole passage if it is long. Read the first paragraph, understand what is the introduction to the passage, one sentence of each paragraph, and we'll only have to answer the main idea. Done. So read the first sentence of each paragraph. So what I would do, guys, here in this one is that first of all, he's describing the word patent, right? What does the word patent mean? Does it strike you as being something rather remote from interest? So what is the definition of patent is given here. He's also telling you that you can stop and think a moment for the commonplace things that you use every day, those objects that you take for granted, that enrich our lives today once existed only as ideas in the mind of man. If it had not been possible to patent these ideas, protecting them against copyright, these inventions might have been fully developed to serve mankind. So this is the the paragraph introducing. Now this is talking about if there was no patent, there should be little incentive to invent and innovate. Okay. The fundamental principles in the United States patent structure came from England. Okay. And then you can see another basic principle that was brought into law because certain influential people managed to maintain monopoly control. In colonial times, patent law was left up to the separate states. In 1936, the Patent Office was established as a separate bureau. Patent offices are the world's largest library of scientific technical ideas. A patent may be granted for a new useful process. So it's all talking about patent only. It has also helped to boost the wages of American workers. Decades of history. Now read this paragraph fully. Decades of history have disclosed little need for modification of the patent structure. United States patent laws, like the Constitution from which they grew, have stood the test of time. They encourage the creative processes, brought untold benefits to society as a whole, and enabled. So, what are the positive of patents is what he is ending with. Now, tell me, what is the main idea? Yes, Jarina, very good. Yes, so what is important is that he is not only talking about patents. Some people are saying patents are important tools for inventors, is not the only thing. Now we eliminate these. It encourages free enterprise, protects the patent. These are all specific ideas. Patent system in England has been influential in American patent development. Patents are important tools for inventors. If I have to choose between D and E, E is the one which is covering all aspects, the inventor, free enterprise, and the creative process. So therefore the answer will be E. Let us do the next one, guys. Yes, are you reading it? Done? So what is the main idea? Yes, good. Jarina and Akanksha. Sneha. Saish. So now you're getting the idea of how to do main idea, right, guys? Okay, let's go to the next one now. Okay, read the passage. Now, again, I'm telling you not to read the whole passage. Read the first paragraph, first sentence of each paragraph, and the last paragraph completely. Yes, done. Yes, as I was telling you guys, don't read the whole passage. It's just talking about the process. We have to reduce the time taken to arrive at an answer. Yes, Saurav, very good. Jarina. Akanksha, Neha. Sneha. So guys, at 11:30, I'm doing a sectional test again on the special itself. Those who are new to my channel, please use Core 10 and register. I'm starting a new batch on the Plus today, and we are doing verbal ability. 5 p.m. Yes, the process of raisins. Good morning. The process of raisin development requires multiple steps, and the steps are given to you in each paragraph. So understand what is the structure of the paragraph. It introduces the idea and it gives you different steps, right? Yeah, none of the others. The creation, these are all specific ideas again, right? One which completely covers the entire paragraph passage and is a blanket option will be the correct answer. So it's talking about the story of this person. Can I go to the next? Staggering means slowly, one after the other. Something which is very shaky and what you will call intermittent. Done. So what is the main idea? Sneha, Saish. Yes, options are very close. Choose the best one. Is the name of that person. The central character itself, Ashutosh. Yes, so he came across several challenges to come to America and help others. Now, these are global ideas, is not even mentioning the main character. The paragraph is talking about this particular person, Siv. So he covered a large area during large area of what? He persevered to escape from Cambodia is only one paragraph. He persevered to become an American citizen is not all. First of all, he faced so many problems to become a citizen. He didn't become that very easily. So therefore, the answer is D. Okay, let's do the next paragraph, guys. We have another last 4 questions to do. So let us read this passage. Okay, so very short passage, right? Finished? Finished, guys? Yes. What is the main idea? Good, Jerina. So 11:30, guys, there is a sectional test. See that you join me for the test at 11:30. Yeah, so he's telling you how you should fly it in different situations. Symbol of American freedom, it has 50 stars. These are all just the qualities. Does he say government intervention? No. Yeah, so answer is D, which covers the whole passage. Yes, are you reading, guys? Just read the first sentence of each paragraph. Finished? So what is the main idea? So now you have an understanding of how to do main idea, right guys? So you do many questions of the same type, then you will be able to master them. Like do 10 questions on only accept, 10 questions only on inference, 10 questions only on weakening, strengthening, and then you will have a better perspective of how to approach these questions. Yes, everyone getting it. Jarina, Yogesh, Akanksha, Sneha, Ashutosh. Yes, C is the answer. Okay, that was the last question. I thought I had two more, guys. So I will see you again at 11:30. Right, guys? I hope there isn't any more. Yeah. So 11:30, we have a test, sectional test. So all of you must join me for that particular sectional test. We will do a whole test today, guys. So see you. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.